Pula go bitogane ena magadi. Go bitogane khunong. Ya tlatsa me go bele melatswana. Ya kgamathetsa difirwana. Bona lefatshe le lentle jang. Bo beolwane ba tserema. Masogwana a go lema. Basetsana ba go kabela peo. Banna we.
So people often ask me, oh, why farming? I mean, I have many brilliant answers for them. One, job creation, food security. I mean, I am my own boss. But the real reason to my question, I mean, I love food through and through. So why Botswana Farms? Because I love who I am. I represent people of distinct class who just love the best quality fresh produce, lamb, chiffon, and beef. So why not become a farmer who produces such and feed my people's souls and tummy? A wise woman once said, when you learn, you must teach. But the real reason, I just love talking about food and culture. What do you love? Ke nna Nthabiseng Kgobokwe wa Botswana Farms and Training. Legae la merogo ya Mmakgonthe.